Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting midstream, open, develop, and pick the image, then zoom to 100% so you see the shadow edges clearly. Make a virtual copy to preserve the original. This gives you freedom to experiment. Next, choose the tool. Spot removal for small, textured shadows or adjustment brush for larger areas. Set feather around 50% and flow to about 50 so adjustments blend naturally. Work from the edge inward to avoid abrupt transitions and build corrections gradually rather than one heavy stroke. Once you've placed an initial brush or clone, refine the match. Sample the nearby midtones using small exposure and temperature nudges to align color and luminance. Make use of range mask set to luminance to restrict the effect to darker values only. This prevents washout of highlights. Then, build corrections slowly, raise shadows and exposure a little, reduce texture if the patched area looks noisy, and toggle the mask overlay to check where edits apply. Repeat small strokes until the repair reads as natural. Finish by zooming out and toggling the before/after view to judge overall balance, then reduce the tool opacity if the correction looks too strong. For haloing or edge artifacts, switch to smaller brushes and carefully clone along the rim, or use the heal mode for texture blending and clone for exact pattern match. Export a 100% crop to confirm the result. If you see color shifts or unnatural edges, undo the last few steps and try a gentler exposure lift plus subtle color temperature match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.